Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fade to black and white video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I am just going to go to the second video, go to cutout and select auto cutout. Then you are going to basically go to filters here, and you're going to add in a black and white filter inside of the second video. Go back to basic and add a keyframe, put the strength to 0 first, and then in the middle I'm just going to add another keyframe. Then at the end, well, sort of at the end, I'm going to move it to 100 so it fades to black and white. And that is basically it. It is super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!